Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit a simple furniture family in Revit. We will use Eames walnut stool information from hermanmiller.com. To create a new family file, a model will be used multiple times. Step 1. Click File. Click New. Click Family. Step 2. Find furniture.rft in the Select Template file browser and click Open. Step 3. It will automatically open these 4 windows. Before you start, save the family file to your project folder. Step 4. I recommend you make the View tile, WT, and Zoom All, ZA, see all views. You will pick a view reference level, or front view depends on what you want to make. Step 5. To draw the stool, you will use Revolve to draw the stool. Step 6. Before you draw a revolving line, you will need reference planes to know the height and width. Click Reference Plane from the Create tab. Step 7. Draw height left and right reference plane and dimension it. Dimension information from Design Within Reach website page. Step 8. On front view, click Revolve from the Create tab. Step 9. Draw lines for the profile, which is a boundary. The lines are to be closed. Step 10. Select axis line and pick the center line. Step 11. Click the green checkmark to finish the model. Step 12. If you want to add and subtract any model, you can create it in this model. Step 13. Once all your model works are done, save the family file on your project folder. Step 14. Click Load into Project to your project. Note: use SketchUp model in Revit. Please watch this importing SketchUp files into Revit tutorial. If you want your SketchUp file in multiple use, you should make it as a family file. SketchUp material will not be followed and merged as one material, but I will demonstrate some tips in the next session. Refer to this video tutorial. I hope this introduction tutorial clarifies how to add and edit a new furniture family. Thank you.